So this is how to format a USB-C drive on an iPhone. I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max here. All you need to do is open up the built-in Files app on the iPhone and then browse to this page here. And then once I plug this drive in, you're gonna see it populate under locations. It should pop up under iCloud Drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug the drive in. It should pop right up for us. Now real quick, I wanna make sure I select it and make sure it shows as empty, because when we format it and erase it, it's going to delete anything that is on the drive. So my drive is completely empty and ready to be formatted. To get into the formatting options, you just need to press and hold or long press the drive itself, and you'll get some pop-ups here. You can rename it, you can erase it, or you can get info. So I'm gonna choose erase. So then you're presented with these options. So you have the APFS file system, which is Apple's file system, or exFAT, which is compatible between Windows and Mac, and MS-DOS, which is a little bit older and supports only up to like 4 gigs. That's also compatible with like Windows, Mac, and Linux. It just doesn't have as much support for newer things. So the two popular ones is going to be APFS or exFAT. If you want to use this drive and you want to share files between a Windows computer and a Mac system or an iPad or iPhone, then you want to choose exFAT so you can copy files back and forth, because this one's widely compatible. If you're just going to use this drive for like your iPhone, your iPad, or Mac, then I'd recommend doing it as APFS. So I'm going to go ahead and click erase. Then it tells you the data is going to be deleted on the drive and that you cannot undo this action. If you do accidentally erase stuff, you would have to use recovery software to try and get your data back. So I'm going to choose erase, and it should go through and show us a little check mark there. So I'm just going to go in and make sure that this does show up as APFS. So right down here, format APFS. So I am all good. Now this is ready to use between my iPhone, iPad, and Mac system. I will not be using this on a Windows computer, just within the whole Mac environment. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it. Now I'll see you guys in the next one.